Hey everyone, I'm Steven. This is my wife Elaine. And we are currently in the Puget Sound.
Big wave!
Oh! I am bailing us out with my shoe while she is pulling up crabs in this tiny raft. All right.
Big wave!
All right, we gotta get back in. We gotta do what we gotta do. See you guys in a bit. If you see this, we didn't die.
Oh no. We went out and got 10 crab, 5 per person. They're huge.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Monster! He doesn't even fit. It's opening day on the Puget Sound. There's nothing quite like the excitement in the air. As we head out crabbing for the very first time this season.
I get crab and she also gets water. We are less than a foot away from this big water here. It is pretty fun getting crab with Miss I Get Crab. Oh boy, look at that wave.
Butt's wet. My butt's wet. Earlier this morning, Steven and Elaine's dad geared up, mist still hovering over the sound, and headed out onto the water. The views alone make the journey worthwhile.
Okay, so here's your weight. Mark.
All right. One more. Now this one is going to be messy because there's all the gizzards and all that stuff. So what we'll do is, when it's time, we'll just pull that plastic out of there. We could get this ready right now.
All right.
Okay.
All doors down. That's my thought.
Too much.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta go home and get ready to go to Syntax. Yeah, now look which way we're.
The pots are prepped, the bait is set, and anticipation is high. They couldn't help but wonder, will this be the day we bring home a record haul? Make no mistake, this is opening day and competition is fierce. Dozens of boats dot the waters, all hoping for that perfect catch. We just pulled up looks like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 crabs. It's not a surprise because we saw them yesterday. We can only bring in 5 each a day. So first we throw out any females. This is a male. He's just tiny. Keeper, obviously.
Hold on, man. Yes, keeper. It's I would say it's a keeper.
Yep, for sure.
For sure.
Yep.
Yep. Keeper.
3. Here. Too small.
I'm just saying, I have to.
But now show them the water.
Okay. So here's the problem. We came out here to Puget Sound to crab, and we've been having a heck of a time. We brought out 2 buckets, but this bucket is too thick to get the water that I need out of this boat. Let me show you. So I took off my shoe on the boat, and while Elaine's pulling up these crabs, I'm gonna bail us out. Right on the line.
Yeah.
I'll say no.
No? Throw it back in?
Yeah, we'll get another one anyway.
Let's hope. You see the females have a very different bottom than the males. See the roundedness? The males, feisty crabs today. The males have these long ones. So male on the right, female on the left. Throw the females back always.
So you can hold on to that the whole time?
Yep.
Okay.
I would like you to move this though, if you don't mind.
Where would it go?
I guess just move this one so I can put this over.
Okay. And that, my friends, is a big boat. The weight that it's creating is going to put a lot of water in our boat. You gotta love this stuff. My wife is over here getting crab because her name is I Get Crab. So while she handles that.
Oh, that looks like a soft shell right there.
Oh, that's very soft. Oh, I see 2 Goldens.
All right, good. We need the measure.
So while she handles that, I'm gonna go ahead and get us away from this shore.
All right, so this guy's a softie.
Oh, look how white that guy is. We don't want no soft shell. Oh, buddy. See you guys.
Alright, do you have the measure?
Yeah. You want to do this?
I'm fighting me for no good reason. Too small.
We're just out here tossing crabs.
This one's a keeper. This one I think is too small. Let's see. A little small. So we'll see you next year, buddy. He's so cute. He's lost. He's so cute.
Elaine just tossed a $30 crabs off the side of a raft.
Keeper, you want to check a soft shell?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll hold this while you do soft shell. Wait.
I grab the crab. Okay. Crabs have to be a certain size, about the size of a dollar bill, and hard. This is the way you check them, right? This crab's coming at you. How do you check to see if the shell is hard enough? Bend both arms in here.
Claws.
Oh yeah. Bend both claws into the middle and force them. Here. Let me show it this way. And force them this way. Hey, we're cooking. Because our baby's cooking. Hey,
Sorry,
there we
I'm
go.
trying to get the rope in.
All right, so you force them in this way, and you can hold them with one hand. Then take your palm, your thumb, and you check underneath here. You can't harm you. And if it flexes at all, it is too soft to be legal here in the state of Washington, and you have to throw them back, no matter the size. All right.
Okay, so I undid the bait. Now we feed the sea, so we let them keep that for next time. And we just take this back. You can only crab what?
A reward for everyone who didn't get caught is the bait that these guys were after.
Or if they need to get bigger and grow stronger and bigger for next time.
Yeah.
But for now, we're gonna break this trap down. We're gonna put it on the bottom of the boat like we did this other one. And then we're gonna try to get this crab in here and make it recount make sure we don't have 11, and just make sure everything's good. All right.
5 per person. All right. Yeah. I got some pretty big feet.
Well, more water's coming at us. Big wave. Big wave.
Oh! Oh! All right, we gotta get back in. We gotta do what we gotta do. See you guys at the bed. If you see this, we didn't die. So in order to cook these crabs, we must get water. And we get it out here in the ocean. It has the best seasoning. Elaine just lifted this whole 5-gallon bucket of water up over the side of the boat.
And Steven's leg's in the way, so I can't bring it in the boat.
Get it, baby.
All right, ready? In the shore we go.
In the shore we go. Well, we got crabs. And I think there are a bunch of gold.
Great. Don't forget it's good. I'll stay with the boat.
Okay.
They're huge. These are monsters in here. Look at this guy. He's feisty. So you gotta be kind of careful, but look at this guy. We got a bucket of crab. Oh, don't rip his leg off. Okay. I've been crabbing since I was 8 years old. So 33 years of crabbing. We're getting pretty good at it. We love crab. We're gonna cook them in salt water and then eat them. Thank you, crabbies. This one's a monster. Look at this guy. You can't even see that crab under this crab. Rah, rah, rah. But we ran out of monsters. We had to take a couple small, like he's smaller. There are several ways to cook Dungeness crab. Our family tradition is to boil them whole in salty seawater. We've also tried cleaning them and adding a bit of sugar.
Found some green. We found one golden.
Did you save it for me?
We haven't cooked it yet because it's over there.
Put a zip tie on it. We're gonna do it with it.
This has sugar in it.
Yeah.
This is how Billy does it.
Okay.
Disgusting stuff getting all over me.
Whichever way you choose, they're delicious. Tell us your favorite recipe in the comments. Oh no.
See, this one ate organic stuff. That's golden. This is what you don't want.
Yeah.
It's not really green, it's just really black. That's what you don't want.
Monster! He doesn't even fit. He's so big. I took my claws off. I don't like claws, so I trade them for these legs. These legs are my favorite.
Man, so that's us crabbing out here. And Elaine is from Washington State. I've always loved nature. And so this is what her family's been doing for the last 40 years.
30, but yeah.
Last 30 years. And it's a great time, man. Just one of those once-in-a-lifetime experiences. We're glad that you came out. Please, if you're not already subscribing, please hit that button to get more of Steven and Elaine's adventures. And from the Pacific Northwest, I'm Steven.
And I'm Elaine.
Wishing you safe
And enjoyable adventures. Bye.